In today's world of optic-ready, striker-fired pistols and modular polymer frames, the classic wheel gun still holds its ground firmly and proudly. Among American gun owners, the revolver isn't just a backup, it's a trusted companion that blends mechanical reliability with a historical soul few modern firearms can replicate. Simple, rugged, and steeped in tradition, these timeless designs remain favorites across the country. But out of all the options lining the shelves, which revolvers actually win over the wallets of American buyers? Stick around as we dive into some of the top-selling revolvers in the United States and break down exactly why they continue to dominate the concealed carry and weekend range scenes alike. Number 8. Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 38. Built from the ground up for discreet, everyday carry, the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 38 is a no-nonsense defensive tool that delivers exactly what concealed carriers need: lightweight simplicity. With a double-action-only trigger and an internal hammer, this compact revolver draws smooth and clean from pockets or holsters without snagging. It's the kind of design you trust when seconds count and there's no room for error. Smith & Wesson built this revolver with a stainless steel upper frame for critical strength and a polymer lower to keep weight low. The cylinder wears a PVD finish, offering improved durability and a sleek matte look. Chambered for the tried-and-true 38 Special Plus P, it holds 5 rounds of fight-stopping ammunition in a package that practically disappears on your belt. The ambidextrous cylinder latch adds user convenience, and the pinned front sight offers basic adjustability. The Bodyguard 38 remains a top-tier choice for concealed carriers who value snag-free reliability in a featherweight form. Number 7. Ruger Wrangler. For shooters who want to experience the feel of a cowboy six-shooter without breaking the bank, the Ruger Wrangler delivers a seriously fun package. This single-action revolver captures the vintage charm of the Old West while giving you the peace of mind that comes with Ruger's rock-solid engineering. The frame is aluminum alloy, keeping it easy to carry and quick to point, while the cold hammer-forged barrel adds unexpected accuracy for a revolver in this price bracket. Chambered in .22 long rifle, the Wrangler is perfect for plinking, training, or just good old-fashioned fun. Ruger's built-in transfer bar safety and loading gate interlock add modern safety to this throwback design. The checkered wood grips, simple blade front sight, and integral rear notch stay true to classic aesthetics while providing solid performance. Finished in a variety of Cerakote color options, the Wrangler gives buyers a chance to personalize their sixgun without losing that iconic Western silhouette. For those looking to step into single-action shooting, the Wrangler offers serious bang for your buck. Number 6. Ruger Vaquero. Few revolvers capture frontier flavor quite like the Ruger Vaquero. Inspired by 19th-century six-shooters but built with modern metallurgy, the Vaquero is a favorite among cowboy action competitors and traditionalists alike. Available in staple calibers like .357 Magnum and .45 Colt, this full-size single-action wheel gun handles heavy loads with confidence. Its all-steel frame is robust and built to last, while the smooth curves and balanced weight make it a natural pointer in the hand. Fixed sights, a rear notch milled into the frame, and a front blade keep things simple and tough, just like the originals. But unlike those old black powder rigs, the Vaquero includes Ruger's modern transfer bar safety, giving you safe carry with all 6 chambers loaded. The reverse indexing pawl allows for easier loading and unloading, a modern touch that's much appreciated on the range. Whether you're competing, collecting, or just embracing that Old West spirit, the Vaquero delivers the look of a classic with the muscle of a modern Ruger. Number 5. Taurus Raging Hunter. If you're in the market for a revolver that can punch through thick hide and bone without punishing your wrist, the Taurus Raging Hunter is built exactly for that job. Purpose-engineered for handgun hunting, this revolver thrives in the high-pressure world of magnum-caliber performance. It is chambered in powerful loads like .44 Magnum and .354 Casull, giving big-game hunters serious stopping power in a portable sidearm. One of its standout features is the factory-ported barrel, which vents gas to reduce muzzle rise and soften felt recoil, crucial when you're sending full-house hunting rounds downrange. Taurus also fits the raging hunter with soft rubber grips that soak up shock and keep the revolver anchored during rapid follow-up shots. Available in matte black or eye-catching two-tone finishes, it's not just a workhorse, it looks sharp while doing its job. Standard iron sights offer a traditional hunting sight picture, but the top-mounted Picatinny rail is ready for optics, whether you prefer a scope for longer shots or a red dot for quick target acquisition. Built to deliver both strength and accuracy, the Taurus Raging Hunter is a serious tool for those who take revolver hunting seriously. Number 4. Colt Python. The Colt Python's comeback isn't just nostalgia, it's a full-blown renaissance. Revered by wheelgun fans for decades, the Python has returned to the spotlight with updates that stay faithful to its heritage, while bringing in subtle modern refinements. Known for its silky smooth double-action pull, often described as like breaking glass, the Python's trigger is still one of the finest ever put in a revolver. These reintroduced models carry that same precision feel, matched with a polished stainless finish that's both stunning and rugged enough for field use. Colt beefed up the frame to better handle steady diets of .357 Magnum, ensuring that the new Python lives up to the legacy of the original. You'll find classic walnut grips with Colt's gold medallions and adjustable target sights that allow for accurate hits from close range out to 50 yards and beyond. Whether you're collecting or shooting, the new Python is equal parts showpiece and performance gun. It isn't just a revolver, it's a functional piece of American firearms history. Number 3. Heritage Rough Rider. The Heritage Rough Rider is proof that getting into single-action shooting doesn't have to drain your wallet. Chambered in .22 long rifle, this cowboy-style revolver has become a favorite among beginners and backyard plinkers alike. For the price of a couple boxes of premium ammo, you get a fun, accurate wheel gun that's easy to shoot and tough enough to last through countless tin-can shootouts. Built with a blued carbon steel barrel and a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, it keeps weight manageable while still feeling solid in the hand. Safety-wise, it features a hammer block that adds peace of mind, a rare bonus in single-action revolvers at this price point. Fixed sights keep things simple, and the classic Coco Bielo with grips add just the right touch of Western flavor. Whether you're teaching a new shooter, putting rounds on steel, or just scratching that cowboy itch, the Rough Rider delivers old-school fun at a fraction of the cost. Number 2. Taurus Judge. The Taurus Judge is in a class of its own, rewriting the rulebook on what a revolver can be. This unique wheel gun is chambered to fire both 45 Colt cartridges and 4 10-bore shotgun shells, giving it a level of versatility that few handguns can match. Built on a hefty steel frame with a solid 5-shot cylinder, the Judge is tough enough to handle mixed loads without breaking a sweat. One of its key features is an extended ejector rod that ensures smooth removal of spent cases, whether you're shooting buckshot or heavy cowboy loads. It comes equipped with soft rubber grips that do a solid job of taming recoil, making even those hotter .410 shells more manageable in the hand. A bright fiber optic front sight makes quick target acquisition easier, especially in close-range defensive scenarios. Shooters can run it in either double-action or single-action mode depending on preference. Taurus also includes a built-in security lock, letting owners disable the gun for safe storage when needed. The Taurus Judge might be unconventional, but its flexible chambering, durable build, and real-world utility make it a top pick for those who want a revolver that can do a little bit of everything from home defense to trail carry. Number 1. Colt Single Action Army. When it comes to iconic American firearms, the Colt Single Action Army, better known as the Peacemaker, stands alone at the top. Introduced in the late 1800s and forever tied to the days of the frontier, this six-shooter represents the gold standard of classic revolver design. Built from forged steel with a beautifully polished finish, the single-action Army blends Old West elegance with rugged function. Whether you're holding the 7 1/2-inch cavalry model or the shorter 4 3/4-inch barrel variant, the handling feels natural, balanced, and unmistakably vintage. Available in classic chamberings like 45 Colt and 38 Special, it delivers a true period-correct shooting experience. The loading gate, half-cock notch, and single-action mechanism all stay true to the original design, while the removable cylinder bushing helps with long-term maintenance. Black checkered grips bearing Colt's eagle emblem round out the timeless profile. The Peacemaker isn't just a revolver, it's a living piece of American history. Collectors, cowboy action competitors, and old-school gun lovers all find themselves drawn to it, and it remains one of the best-selling revolvers in the country thanks to its enduring legacy. These 8 standout revolvers each represent a different slice of what makes the wheel gun platform so enduring, from cutting-edge defensive tools and budget-friendly plaincurs to precision hunting revolvers and living relics of the Old West. Despite the rise of high-capacity semi-automatics, these revolvers continue to win over American shooters with their simplicity, reliability, and timeless style. Whether for protection, sport, or pure appreciation of craftsmanship, the revolver remains firmly rooted in the hands and hearts of shooters across the nation.